Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to upload theme in WordPress website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our brand new WordPress website and today we are going to upload a professional WordPress theme on it and create a professional WordPress website. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to log into the dashboard of your WordPress website. Now from the left menu, click on Appearance and then click on Themes. Now from the top, click on Add Theme, click on Upload Theme, click on Choose File, select the theme zip file from your computer. If you have purchased your theme from Theme Forest or any other marketplace, just download your theme as a zip file, select the file from here and then click on Open. Now click on Install Now. So as you can see that our theme is now installed. Now we are going to activate this theme. So click on Activate from here. So as you can see that our theme is now installed and activated, and now we need to activate the license for our theme. So I have downloaded the license for our theme. So I'm going to copy it from here. Go to our WordPress website, paste it here and then click on Register Theme, and in this way our theme will be registered. Once your theme is installed and activated, on the left side you will see the themes menu. So here it is. So I will click on pre-made websites from here. And here you will see all the demo templates. Let's say you want to import any demo template from here. So click on Import Content from here. And it will install the required plugins and import all the demo data. So this is how you can upload theme to your WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.